Go.
Grandma, I got a new bed.
And?
And I am bigger.
A big girl. Look at her big girl bed. It's a big bed, huh? For a big girl. Show me your pillows. Wow. Show me the one with the butterfly. That's cute. Wow. Purple. She needs some big pillows for her shams and her pillowcases. Wow. That's awesome. You are a big girl, huh? It was crazy hair day at school today. And polka dots. You love it? Yes. Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.